Hey there, digital dreamers and rising entrepreneurs. What if I told you there's one platform that gives you all the tools you need to market like a pro, build your brand, and sell smarter, not harder? Welcome to Empirely, your all-in-one marketing empire in a box. When you join Empirely, you unlock a complete suite of AI-powered marketing tools designed to simplify your workflow, boost your visibility, and drive sales. Here's what's inside. AI ebook and digital product creator create stunning ebooks, lead magnets, and digital offers in minutes without writing a single word from scratch. Drag and drop page builder design beautiful landing pages, opt-in forms, and sales funnels that actually convert, no coding needed. Video and graphics tools from promotional videos to social media graphics, Empirely gives you studio quality visuals to wow your audience. Email marketing and automation grow your list, schedule campaigns, and turn leads into loyal customers on autopilot. Analytics dashboard track your performance in real time. Know what's working and what's not so you can optimize like a pro. QR code generator and social sharing tools create branded QR codes for product access, promos, or printables. Plus, easily share across your socials with built-in templates. Whether you're a coach, creator, affiliate, or small business owner, Empirely was built for you. No more paying for 5 or 6 different tools. Empirely gives you everything under one roof, saving you time, money, and stress. It's time to stop piecing together your business and start building your empire with tools that work together, powered by AI and made for results. So, are you ready to join the revolution? Click the link below and become a part of EmpirelyThe today. Let's build smarter, market faster, and grow stronger together.